Hey guys, welcome back to Raptor Pack RVing, Life on the Road with Down Syndrome. I'm here with my buddy Bubba J.
Yep.
And we are getting ready to head out into the Enchanted Forest hike out here near Jacksonville. This is a group hike. Some fine folks over here are going to be joining us for this hike today. So, you ready to get back to hiking?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to take you out here and kind of show you around Josephine County, Jacksonville area. And stay tuned. We'll be right back.
We brought a wildflower guidebook. If anyone wants to identify any wildflowers, there's going to be a lot of them out here. And if anything comes up or questions or anything, just let us know. This hike is beautiful. We're going to go through some forest area. There's a big meadow to explore flowers in, and a really great view up at the top. So, but if anybody needs anything or don't hesitate to ask questions or anything like that,
So there you go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready to hit the trail? So out here, we are on the Enchanted Forest and Felton Memorial Trail. So here we go. And we are off. Well, what do you think so far?
My knees are hurting.
Yeah, you're breathing kind of heavy. This is our first hike of the year. So we are going to get in shape again. So right off the bat, if you have a wheelchair, not sure wheelchairs could get up through here. There's a couple big roots, trees. But right now, it's pretty flat. That's okay. Here's our first landmark. This you call a landmark? An old pickup truck. Hey guys, you gonna fix that thing up? You know what? Hey, a little sandpaper, some paint. We'll have it looking good. This is cool. Everyone's come out. There's some bullet holes in it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I don't think I'll be taking this one home. How you doing, Josh?
I'm doing okay.
I'm doing okay. Oh, cool. Beautiful back here. All right, let's hit that trail, buddy.
Oh, well.
So folks, if you remember back last year, we did one of our videos on our hiking trips. Matter of fact, I think it was at Arches National Park or National Monument. And we were huffing and puffing then, and we're back to huffing and puffing again. But Josh is gonna make it. All right, buddy. Guys, we are.
Yeah, you pushed me back.
Oh, sorry. We're getting down here towards the end of this walk. It's only about 1.5 miles, and where this trail leads to, years ago, Department of Forestry had one of their helicopter crews out here, apparently working a fire, and unfortunately the helicopter went down and killed 3 firefighters, or the pilot and the firefighters. And so they built a memorial to the guys on the helicopter. So we'll show you the memorial when we get there, right, Josh?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. This is good exercise. It's a great trail if you guys are coming into Grants Pass. It's about 30-minute drive outside of Grants Pass. It's a very thin trail, so if you have son or daughter and you're traveling in the RV and you want to come out and do a great hike, this is really cool. Kind of easy if you're in shape, but if you have a family member who's disabled, they got to make sure that they can walk. It's too thin to bring out walking devices, wheelchairs. So, but other than that, I'm glad we came out for the first time. Yep. And apparently trying to find the sun grew completely across the trail. Huh. A natural bridge. All right. So we have made it. How you feel, Josh?
My tuna hurt.
So what do you think? You want to do it again?
No.
No. So here's why the reason we came out here. This is a memorial plate in memory of Jeffrey Wayne Felton, Carl Allen Hansen, Dale Vernon Siegel. These men died at this site while in the performance of their duties on March 16th, 1993. So apparently, like I said, the Department of Forestry helicopter went down in here fighting a fire. So they put this memorial together so people can hike out here and see where these brave men who came out here gave their lives fighting forest fires up here in the state of Oregon. So, whew, we made it. So, really fun hike. Really recommend coming out here and trying this. So, let me get over here and see if Josh is still alive.
What do you think, buddy?
We are about halfway back to the trail entrance. This is 1.8 miles out there. So what's that coming out to being, Josh? Almost 4 miles today? Oh, the sun is out. Beautiful day here in Southern Oregon. Love it. No other way I'd rather be spending a Saturday morning than out here hiking. Getting our exercise, buddy. All right. Let's get it on. So here we are, guys. There he is. Almost a 4-mile hike today. Here comes Bubba J. You did it, buddy. It was a beautiful hike. This is the trailhead of the Enchanted Forest. Felton Memorial Trails tells you a little bit about the hike. So this is awesome. All right, big guy. Oh, look at there. The trail got to him. Good times. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed our little adventure out here. We are going to go meet the lady who puts these on and hear a little word from her. So hang tight. Hey guys, hey. I want to introduce Allison to you. She's gonna tell you a little bit about what we do. Allison,
Hi!
tell folks what you do on the weekends and with Parks and Rec and what they can do if they want to come out here and have fun.
Yeah, so I run the Grants Pass Parks and Recreation Department, and we run hikes every quarter. So we've got spring hikes, we'll have some summer hikes and fall hikes. It's just me behind the backgrounds picking out random trails in the area to go exploring and guiding people on. Cool. So you can find us, Grants Pass Parks and Recreation on, or it's Grants Pass Recreation Program on Facebook, or grantspassoregon.gov is the city's website that will link up to our calendar of events.
So would this be great for people that come into our area, let's say during spring, summertime, because camping season's coming up, and if people are looking at fun things to do with their kids, I see you brought your son out.
Yes, absolutely.
And is this, are all of these hikes pretty much family oriented?
I try to make them all as family friendly as possible because I know that people want to get out with their grandkids and their kids and explore the area, and I'm not into trekking. Summiting high mountains or anything like that. I just like to get out and show people nature, and so I try to find trails that do that for everybody.
Y'all heard that? No mountains, thank God. Hey Allison, thank you much.
Yes,
and
thank you.
So some of the other folks hiking, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. What do you think, Josh? You want to come back and do this again?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, yeah, probably. Okay. All right, guys. Hey, Raptor Pack RVing, we're signing off. Remember, travel more, stress less, and we'll see you next time down the road.